That one, that's yours. Mine is different, so you go from here because we have already here. View. Slide view. Alright. This is the one now. And the one mine is different. Kind of when we eat this. I think that that is.
Yeah, that's why that's live. I see. When we eat this
When we eat this bread
of life, we proclaim your death, oh Lord.
I don't know. Forgot. Anda may chat siya.
What else?
Ako na lang uminom ng milk tea, agoy.
You have already?
Ay. Huh?
Amen.
You're not triumph on the sky. Siya na lang uminom ng milk tea.
44, no?
44.
Mga details na.
And you have different great amen of the John Paul. What is the amen? The amount amen is?
Amen is MOP.
MOP. Ay, my gosh, I was already remade. My gosh, you only do what?
What's unnecessary?
Oh man, Charles, you are not working. You are just copying my work.
Oh no.
I will transfer now.
Dito bisa saan ma. Oh no, kata kaya isuranan.
44.
Okay lang, anti-hyperliniman. That's it.
Oh my Lord. Tulog si Ming. Okay. If this cat is just not smelling bad, I will put him in my bed again. But he urinate nowadays by himself.
Great amen does not get from where? Great amen.
Amen, still part of the mass.
Amen. Amen.
It's part of the mass. Check the hyperlink.
I check great amen.
What do you mean, great amen? What question you are talking about?
Like, how do this great amen? That means just like I thought it's like amen. Amen is not internet Caribbean or Jamaican feeling.
No, when you do great amen means it's an amen. Then what part of amen you want to do? Caribbean, Jamaican, or MOP?
Then say the first, no? Great amen.
Charles, you are just copying my work. You're not learning. You are just. This is what. Oh, you open again somewhere. You hyperlink when it is shaded. Yeah. This is what hyperlink. Not that one.
Boy, oh no, that could be so sad.
This is what we call the millennial graduate of high school.
Oh,
They only copy the works of other people. Great amen is there.
great amen. That could be so sad. From Caribbean.
They only copy the works of others.
They don't want to happen, no. They want to.
Simbang gabi na niya. Oh, ugma pa mi. Ugma sa alas 7 sa gabi amo ang schedule. Why do ka day Jim? Wala.
Tomorrow we don't know to Masonway.
I don't know what's the plan. We have simbang gabi but tomorrow at 7 p.m. we are the choir and one of the church. Ano duka? Duka means antok. may Bicol pala digdi oh. Tungka. Kumbaga, duka is tungka. Wala bang tungka dyan, James? Pakit ako. Unsay pakit on? Naalagi tingog ni Constantine. Auto abitaw? Araray.